Hello. Today we'll learn how to create a complete course from only one prompt. For this, I'm gonna be using the online platform Unni.ai. I've already created my account and here is my initial dashboard. To do it, it's very simple. You can click here New Presentation and put your prompt here. For my course, I want a Q3 marketing strategy and some product launching chips. This is gonna be very useful for my team, so I can click next. I want my presentation to be standard, and if I want, I can click text only, so it will be Bentley text, no images, faster, and uses fewer credits. So this allows me to spend less credits and not use AI. But I want mine to have images. So let's go next. And here you can optimize for device. So it can be for mobile or desktop. I'm going to go with mobile. It looks good. Let's generate it. So it takes only a couple of seconds, as you can see. Now the platform has created my course and it's finishing up with the images. It takes like 10 to 20 seconds to finish it up. And while it does that, let's revise some of the slides. So you can click edit slide to edit the details. So you can add details from your company, you can change the layout if you'd like. I think this one looks there. And after you're happy with the result, you can just save and close. As you can see, Big AI finished with my images, so let's take a look. It generated an image very good, very subtle, in the color scheme that I want, but if you want, you can change it clicking here. And you can either select an image from the AI or you can upload your own files. I would like to go with this one. And after revising my presentation, I would like to see how it looks. So let's click here, start. And let's check our presentation. So the platform goes by itself, but you can also press the space bar so it goes automatically. So here the information looks good. The design looks very good too. I really like how it turned out. Yeah, it looks very good for me. Okay, so let's say I want to export this presentation. I'm gonna go back to the dashboard. Now that I'm back over here, I want to export my presentation. I have this button here called Pixport. I can click it and I can choose the format that I want to export for. I can also share a link where other people can view the presentation. I can export it to PDF, PowerPoint. We have some details on the channel about it, to video, images, LinkedIn, and more. Thank you for watching.